welcome back to the channel, man. Real quick, man, I want to talk about this Chrysler, this is Dodge Charger with a 3.5 liter engine in it. As you can see, it has a timing belt. Now, what I want to talk about is what you should replace during a timing belt replacement. Y'all see that? Y'all see that bearing right there? What is missing inside of that bearing? I know y'all saw that. I'm gonna bring the camera right back down to that. All right, take a closer look. This is the water pump right here. Now, the water pump, you should also replace the water pump doing a timing belt replacement. But look at that bearing or that pulley. That's an idler pulley, people. And all the bearings inside that used to live inside the pulley is now inside of the timing belt cover. Okay, that's because it has worn out and came apart. Now, the weird thing about this car is the customer just had the timing belt replaced. Obviously, that's the timing mark right there on the crank. Now, the timing mark up here on the camshaft go between this slot right here and this slot right here. Now, a true indication of a car being out of time is probably vacuum. You will have extremely low vacuum, between 13, 14, and 15 inches of vacuum. But that right there is a true sign that you might even hear some noise if this come apart. This idler pulley has come apart. Now, what I want to talk about is things you should replace during a timing belt replacement job. And that is the water pump and the idler pulley. Anything that rotates, anything that turns as a result of the timing belt turning should be replaced, especially if it is ball bearing type. If it's a bearing type pulley, it should be replaced along with the timing belt. Make that a habit of replacing all those pulleys inside of there, okay? Do not just replace the timing belt. All right, I want to give y'all that warning, man, because I hate to see this, man. So man, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.